Hello friends, welcome to the Turbo Machinery Lab MA326 and MA226. I am Mr. Nibra, Technical Superintendent. Today we will be doing experiments on reaction turbine. We have two types of turbine, one is impulse turbine and another one is reaction turbine. The aim of the experiments are to find the characteristics curves of the turbine. It is basically to find the curves of rotational speed versus torque, rotational speed versus efficiency, and rotational speed versus power. Today I will demonstrate only the reaction turbine. All the sensors are same in both the experimental setups. The difference is the structure and working principle. I'll show you the impulse turbine in the next video. Now we'll be showing the reaction turbine only. So let's find what are the main components of the reaction turbine. The main components of the reaction turbine is a reservoir. This is your reservoir. This is your reservoir. A pump. This is your pump. This is your pump. And then we have a belt and pulley. We have a belt. We have a belt and pulley. This is your thumb screw. This one is your thumb screw. This is your strain gauge to apply the brake. This is your rotational speed sensor. This one is your rotational speed sensor to find the speed of the turbine. And then we have some protective case here where the sensors are kept in safe. So here we will be finding the characteristics only. And then we have one more device which is called as throttle, control. The volume flow rate we can control from this valve. So now let's do the experiment. So we'll just start the pump and then we'll show them. Yes, you will see what are the parameters that it changes when we increase the braking load. So let's start the pump. Now you can see there is no brake applied. Now it is loose. That is why there is no brake on the turbine. So if you see the turbine here, just reduce the volume of the water, so that you can find the turbine here. The water is coming. I am increasing the volume of the water. See, we have a deep type blades here. So now I am increasing the volume of the water. You can see the difference of these two. When we lower the volume of the water, what happens? When we increase the volume of the water, then what happens? Now I am going to apply the brake force here. So before that I am just showing you, we have not applied the brake force here. This is your 0.02, that is your almost 0. There is an offset of 0.23 Newton, and here is a rotational speed of 152 Hertz. We are not applying any brake, that is why it is showing this much of rotational speed and brake force. Now we will apply the brake force. I am just increasing the brake. Now if you see, there is a variation in the reading. Now in the brake force is 1.70 and the rotational speed at the same time is 57.6. At this time what we will be doing, we will just take the sample. We have taken one reading. Okay, just before that just clear the file. Now you take the reading. Now again we will change the brake force. We will tighten the thumb screw and again we will take one reading. Just take sample. So that way you have to keep on increasing the brake load and you have to take the reading. So if you continue 10 times, then you will have a 10 set of reading. From the 10 set of reading, you will have one set of data. From that you can find the characteristics of speed versus efficiency, speed versus torque, and efficiency versus power. So right now what we will be doing, we will send you a set of readings. From the set of readings you can draw your characteristics curve as a report and send it to us at the earliest. Okay, thank you very much.